Hello viewers, I'm Paul White and welcome to Paul's Train Vlogs. Anyway viewers, welcome to another installment of a Parramatta light rail construction update. This time we're going to take a walk down along Factory Street, North Parramatta. Going to start off with an intersection of Church and Factory Streets in North Parramatta. So lights about to change. Anyway viewers, if you haven't yet subscribed to Paul's Train Vlogs, please hit the subscribe button on the bottom right hand corner of the screen, and also don't forget to please ring the notification bell to receive notifications about my current and future releases. And thank you for watching Paul's Train Vlogs. Here we go guys, just waiting for a pedestrian light to go green. So this is Factory intersection Factory Street and O'Connell Street at North Parramatta. I'm currently standing on it at the moment. Just waiting for the lights to go green here. Just take a look. That's facing towards Westmead. Looks like, might turn across. Just going to quickly look down there whilst I'm on the move. Just about to cross O'Connell Street now. Just taking a stroll along Factory Street. Nice quick change for traffic lights. Shouldn't take long for the green man to appear. Here we go. Just gonna pop it down on the concrete here for the moment. I guess a flash. Anyway, viewers, that's all for this episode of Paul's Train Vlogs. It's time now to wrap up the episode. Please subscribe to Paul's Train Vlogs. Please feel free to like and favourite my videos. And also don't forget to please ring the notification bell to receive notifications about my current and future releases. Thank you for watching Paul's Train Vlogs, and I will see you in the next episode. Until next time, it's goodbye for now.